Good morning, children. Today we are going to do in grammar chapter 8 future time extra exercise. In the last session we had done the explanation of what is future time. Now we'll do few exercise of future time so it will be more clear for you. So shall we start? Okay. Complete the following sentences using simple future tense forms of the verbs given in the bracket. Complete the following sentences using simple future tense forms of the verbs given in the bracket. Number 1. In 2 days. In 2 days I dash my result. In 2 days I dash my result. Now over here, what is future time? We had learned in the last session. We are planning for the future. What we will be going to do tomorrow or day after tomorrow. That is the future time. Here in the bracket it is given will and would. From these two we have to select which is the correct answer. So will know, would know. In 2 days I dash my result. So what will you write over here? So in 2 days I will know my result. What is the answer over here? It will be will know. W-I-L-L will, K-N-O-W will know. 2 number. You dash this decision. You dash this decision. Will regret or would regret. Now here you have to select again will and would is there. It is will regret or would regret. Regret means what? आपको अफसोस होगा. आपने जो निर्णय लिया, निश्चय किया, उसको आपको अफसोस होगा. So what is the correct over here? You will use in the blank will regret or would regret. So the correct answer is will regret. You will write W-I-L-L will and regret R-E-G-R-E-T will regret. Now 3 number. We dash what happened to her. We dash what happened to her. Will never be knowing or will never know. Which is the correct you will use? So we will write we will never know what happened to her. We will never know what happened to her. 4th number. The whole nation dash proud of you. Is or will be. The whole nation dash proud of you. Is or will be. So it will be will be. The whole nation will be proud of you. So once again we'll do the exercise. In 2 days I will know my result. You will regret this decision. We will never know what happened to her. The whole nation will be proud of you. That dash our gift to the school. Will be or would be. That dash our gift to the school. So it will be will be. What it will be? Will be. That gift will be our gift to the school. Kind of words dash others joy. Kind of words others joy. So will give or will be giving. So it will be will give. Kind of words will give others joy. This piece of wisdom dash you $10. This piece of wisdom dash you $10. So will cost or would cost. So what is the correct answer? Will cost. Will cost. So you will write will C-O-S-T cost. This piece of wisdom will cost you $10. Now 8 number. You dash my position. You dash my position. Will never understand or never understand. So what is the correct answer? Will never understand. You will never understand my position. Understand my position. He dash the test. So he will not pass the test. He will not pass the test. So will not. He will not pass, pass the test. 10. I dash this. Will not permit, would not permit. So what will you write over here? I dash this. So I will not permit this. I will not permit this means give permission. So once again we will do the exercise, children. That will be our gift to school. Kind of words will give others joy. This piece of wisdom will cost you $10. You will never understand my position. He will not pass the test. I will not permit this. I will not permit this. So, dear children, do this extra exercise of future time in your grammar notebook with neat and clean handwriting. With neat and clean handwriting, complete this work in your grammar notebook. Thank you.